Santosh from Karavur. I am currently pursuing my B Pharmacy course in SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. In this video, we see about CLT. What is CLT? CLT means Center for Learning and Teaching. I choosing my topic under CLT is Meditronic Insulin Pump with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Center for Learning and Teaching is dedicated to inspire and support best practice in learning and teaching that promote engaged, effective, student-centered and lifelong learning for providing a quality education. Artificial Intelligence or AI. AI refers to ability of machines and computers to think, act, behave and function like human beings. Familiar examples of AI-controlled system include the Apple Siri in iPhones, Amazon's Alexa, and self-driving cars of Google, BMW, and Tesla. Here we see applications of AI in pharmacy, applications of artificial intelligence in pharma sectors, in drug discovery, pharmaceutical product department, drug surgery and antagonism prediction, medicine diagnosis and clinical diagnosis, research and development, quality control and quality assurance, pharmaceutical manufacturing, cleaning application, drug precipitation. AI used in healthcare. Insulin pump help in diabetics. An insulin pump provides continuous delivery of short-acting insulin all day long. The insulin pump substitutes the need for long-acting insulin. A pump also replaces the need for multi-daily injections with the continuous insulin injections and also helps to improve your blood sugar level. Advantages in insulin pump. A pump is more accurate than shots, helping you better manage blood sugar level. You will have fewer blood sugar loss, which is important if you often have hypoglycemia. It may improve your A1C levels. Dosing for meals and snacks is easier. It's easier to plan for exercise. It's easier to boils. AI used in insulin pump, which is closed loop system. Closing loop system is a AI system which is used in insulin pump on body drug delivery device 24/7. Automated insulin delivery system, elimination of multiple daily injections, high and better manage level, and the most important CMG control. CMG is abbreviated to continuous glucose monitor. Is a system which monitoring the blood sugar level. Here we see closed loop system in AI. Control algorithmic adjusting insulin delivery. Hyoid closed loop glucose control. Here we see the graph that were generated using data management platform. Here we see the insulin pump how act in our body and how are the insulin sugar level and are maintained by the insulin pump by using artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for the opportunity.